In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook email signature. Having a well-crafted email signature is important as it serves as a digital business card that your recipients see at the bottom of your emails. It can include your name, contact information, job title, and even a company logo or social media links, which can make your communications look more professional and organized. So, let's dive in and create your very own email signature on Outlook. First, you'll want to open your Outlook application. Once you have it open, look for the File tab located in the upper left corner of the window. Clicking on File will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your account and settings. Next, from the options available, you need to click on Settings. This will lead you to a series of additional choices, allowing you to personalize and configure various aspects of your Outlook experience. Remember, these settings are where you can tailor the application to better fit your needs. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to click on Account. This is where all your account-related controls are located. You will find options to manage your inbox, connected devices, and other crucial account-specific information. After selecting Account, the next thing you'll see is a list of subcategories. Look for and click on Signatures. This section is dedicated to creating and managing your email signatures. It's essentially your go-to place whenever you want to make changes or add new signatures. In the Signatures section, you should see an option that says Add Signature. Click on this to start the process of creating a new email signature. This is the space where you can really get creative. Think about what information you want to convey and how it represents you and your business. Once you've clicked on Add Signature, you'll be prompted to type in a signature name. This is typically just for your internal use, helping you identify this signature, especially if you intend to create multiple signatures for different purposes or roles. With your signature named, make sure to click Save. This is a crucial step because you don't want to lose all the effort you've put into setting up your signature. Once saved, your signature will be added to your account and available for use in your outgoing emails. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Outlook email signature. This small yet vital component of your emails can greatly enhance your communication by providing all the necessary information at the recipient's fingertips. Don't hesitate to come back and edit your signature anytime you have new information to include or just want to update the design. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you present your best digital self in every email you send.